In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spy on competitor strategies using Google Ads for effective competitor analysis. This method will help you gain insights into what your competitors are doing and potentially give you the edge in your marketing efforts. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Google Ads. Google Ads is a powerful platform where businesses can create online ads to reach potential customers. It's the go-to tool for maximizing your online advertising efforts. Simply open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page and click it. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Google will guide you through the setup process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Be sure to have your business and billing information ready, as this will speed up the setup process. With your account ready and signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home screen. This is your main dashboard and the hub for all your advertising activities. Next, we're going to access a key feature for competitor analysis, which is under the Tools section. At the top right of your dashboard, you'll find a wrench icon labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on it. This section lets you explore various tools that Google Ads offers, from bid strategies to audience targeting options. From the list of options, select Keyword Planner. Clicking on Keyword Planner will take you to a new page where you'll have access to invaluable data. This tool allows you to discover keyword ideas and trends, see how often certain words are searched, and understand how these keywords have performed in the past. By using the Keyword Planner, you can gauge the competitive landscape and better understand what your competitors might be targeting. You'll be able to see which keywords are trending, their average monthly searches, and even the suggested bid. As you dive deeper, try searching for keywords relevant to your industry. Look to see where the search volume is highest. Competitors are likely optimizing for these same keywords. Pay attention to long tail keywords as well, which, although having lower search volumes, can attract highly targeted traffic. This strategy helps you see where to focus your efforts and how to adjust your marketing plan in response to competitor behavior. Remember, the goal is not to copy what competitors are doing, but to improve upon it and find areas where you can set yourself apart. Using these insights, you'll be better equipped to position your business effectively in the market. Take the time to regularly review the keyword data and continuously refine your strategies based on what you learn. In essence, this ongoing analysis will arm you with the knowledge you need to stay competitive and maximize your advertising investment.